Alright, so it's 18th, I think, 18th or 19th May, Sunday, and this is like basically almost the end. I just have a coolant leak, I definitely do, but I can't be asked to fix it right now. I just want to ride it, so it's not going to lose much. I'm going on a short one, but I put the rack back on a couple weeks ago, and I've just fitted the plate after finding the top box in the loft. So yeah, she's ready to go. I've just adjusted the chain. It looks like, because obviously Path took it for the MOT the second time, because he said, you know, the chain was too loose. So he said, if you just bring it back with a, you know, tighter chain, I'll pass it. So he did that, but he told me that he tightened it too much, and it started making like a whirring sound or whatever, you know, like it's putting strain on the gearbox bearing. But seems fine now. Like there's no tight spots. It just seems like a evenly tensioned chain. So we'll see how it rides. Path had a go at painting. It was basically around here, painting the tank where the acid I used for like derusting parts, somehow it got to the tank. I think because the bucket that I had in the shed on the floor, full of it, maybe leaked. And to be fair, the tank was right next to it, so yeah, I think that's what happened. He just stripped it off basically, so it was like bare metal. So I asked him to put filler on it, metal filler, only a little bit, just to bring the paint level back up. And it's not too bad. I mean, he didn't sand it enough initially, but yeah, we've tried our best. There's still loads of okay, that's water, but there's dings here. 1, 2, 3. I'm not too bothered though. It is a rat bike. It's missing fairing parts and all sorts. But yeah, really looking forward to this. I rode it to the MOT, but you know, it was kind of like in a rush because I had to get back to Portsmouth, and this was yeah, this was like, it just needed to be done, the MOT. Anyway, I'll turn it on, shall we? So there's quite a bit of slack in that choke cable before it even engages, and it might not be enough, or maybe full choke is too much. I'll put it halfway. Shouldn't need throttle. There you go. Okay, more choke. Needs more choke.